In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth parallax sky flip effect inside Davinci Resolve. Start by creating a new timeline and set the resolution to 3840 by 3840 pixels. This square format will give you enough room for the sky flip movement. Next, place your two drone clips on top of each other in the timeline. Select the top clip, then open the inspector. Under the Transform section, set the rotation angle to 180 degrees to flip the clip upside down. Scroll down to the cropping section and reduce the softness to around -50. Then, adjust the zoom level until both skies blend nicely together without a visible seam. Now, select both clips, right-click, and choose New Compound Clip. This combines them into a single layer so we can animate the effect more easily. Open the Effects panel, search for the Transform effect, and drag it onto your compound clip. Move your playhead to the start of the clip and keyframe the rotation parameter. Then, move the playhead to the end of the clip and change the rotation to 180 degrees. This creates the sky flip animation. In the inspector, scroll down and increase the motion blur amount all the way up. This helps smooth out the rotation and makes the movement look more cinematic. Finally, open the Advanced Options section and set Edge Behavior to Reflect. This prevents the edges from going black during the flip and keeps the composition seamless. And that's it! You've just created a clean and professional parallax sky flip effect inside Davinci Resolve.